Welcome to Mediocre Mechanic, where I find ways to make life harder than it should be. Today, we are installing this guy, a bolt to my gear lever, which is an unnecessary job because this job was initially to install a 14-tooth front sprocket on this 2015 Ducati Monster. I had issues removing the wheel and the chain and all that stuff, so like the professional mechanic I am, I had the brilliant idea to remove this whole piece just to get to the chain. So I started by removing the gear lever, then I started removing this bolt, but then it connected to the one over here, and I had absolutely no leverage to get this out. And then I don't know why I didn't look at this part before I started this whole job, but what the frick kind of tool gets this thing out? Probably a proprietary Ducati thing, which it was, and I don't have. I reinstalled this guy, and like the idiot I am, I mean professional, I went torque happy on this thing. I didn't know that you just had to hand tighten it. Of course it snapped. The worst part is the second half of the bolt was still inside the bike, and that was a proper nightmare, man. Proper nightmare. Broken screw, get out. And I bought all these different bits and oh, crack. And after like a week, Bismillah. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. I managed to pry it out. Alhamdulillah. So, I mean, I guess you do learn something. Lovely. Actually, I found this bolt. It's not quite the same because in the Ducati one, you got this sleeve thing so the lever can rotate around it. And this is just begging to be broken. I've got all this hardware. I don't know what to do with it, man. I got these two thingies. I don't know. This one, you put it here for sure. Hand tighten it. Do not over torque it. Okay. 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 No, I won't do it. I won't do it. I won't do it. It's just, I mean, can I remove it? No, I can't remove it with my hand. I mean, that's tight enough. Okay, leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Okay. We're good. All right, we're good. Thanks for tuning in. Peace. No, don't do it. Don't do it.